Hello and welcome everyone to Scan Tech Tips. My name is Scan. Today we are going to solve one issue that we are facing since the start of Windows 10. Let's look at it. Let's suppose I am opening a folder. Right, this time I am opening Windows Explorer. I will open this picture window. As you can see, each time I am opening up a folder, it is opening a new window. Now, see again. This can be an issue if you have so many of folders. So let's see how can we fix it. It was too annoying for me back then. To solve this problem, all you have to do is press your start button. Now type folder. You can see file explorer option here. If you don't find it there, you have to go to control panel, then appearance and personalize. Inside there you will find file explorer option. Right there in general tab you have to found browse option, browse folder option. Now select on open each folder in a same window. Once you selected it, now press OK. This will fix your issue. Let us confirm it. Now I am opening again File Explorer. As you can see, now it is opening in same window, so we will not have much crowd on here. This is it for today. See you all later. If you like our video, please do subscribe and like and also comment. Have a good day.